Hey crocheters, do you love the look of overlay mosaic crochet, but don't like in the back when you get all of these ridges, big flaps on the back side, and you're just afraid that's going to catch and snag on something? Let me show you my anchored stitch that I use to catch those floppy bits in the back. So here is a project that I'm working on right now, and it's a perfect example because this has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has 9 front loop double crochets, and that it's going to cause a flap on the back because on top of these I'm just doing single crochets in this back loop here. But in order to kind of get rid of all those big flaps, what you could do, what I do call an anchoring stitch. This is the way that I anchor my double crochets down with a back loop single crochet. Okay, I do it maybe about every 5-ish stitches. You can do it more than that or less than that, whatever, you know, however you want your flaps to look. I start like I'm doing a back loop only single crochet. So I go through the back loop, but then I kind of turn the work over so I'm looking at the back side, and I also go through the back loop of the single crochet row, same color, 2 rows below. Does that make sense? So I now have a piece of green and a piece of white, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those back loops I just went through, and then just do a single crochet like normal. So that is how I anchor my stitches. What you get is like a little piece in the back that looks like that. Yep. I'm going to do that for you one more time, nice and slow. Insert your hook through the back loop only, like you're doing a back loop only single crochet. Flip your work upside down. Find the stitch that matches. Go through the back loop only. Pull through both of those back loops and finish off your single crochet. You could go through the back loop and go through both loops of the single crochet stitch that's in the back in the white there, and then pull through all 3 of those loops and pull through those 2 loops. But this is just a really easy, simple way to get rid of those flaps. Another way that you can get rid of these back flaps is by making your mosaic projects reversible and by using the negative stitch. And I do have a video tutorial on how to do the negative stitch. You can go ahead and click here to watch that. So what did you think of that tutorial? Are you going to use it next time you do an overlay mosaic crochet pattern? Let me know in the comments. If you have a different trick that you like to use to catch those flappy bits, let me know in the comments as well. And as always, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy crocheting!